Hello everyone, this is Spencer Jones here. In this video I'd like to show you how to fix your SD card or micro SD card or USB drive which is not recognized by your Mac computer. You might be getting a message when like this when you insert your disk, like the disk you inserted was not readable by this computer, and you will have three options: initialize, ignore, or eject. All you need to do is click the initialize button. I just encountered this problem and I found the fix. Even when you click the initialize, you might not see anything happen. So in this instance, what you need to do is go to your launchpad and click disk utility. Enter disk utility and open this disk utility application, and your drive, your SD card or micro SD card or pen drive will show up in this external section. All you need to do is click it and click this first aid button, and you will get a pop-up saying run first aid on your drive, and click run, and that's all you need to do, and your disk will be fixed. Don't ever click the erase button or else you will lose all your files. So all you need to do is click the first aid and click this run, and you will be able to fix your drive. Even if that doesn't fix the problem, and if you don't want the files, you can click the erase button, and you will be able to erase the files and get your uh, drive back, and you will be able to see that your disk will be recognized here on the desktop. So that's how easy it is to fix this problem. I just fixed this problem on one of my disks. I'm not able to show it to you again because I already fixed it. I don't have the same error showing up on my screen. If this video helped you fix the problem with your drive and regain your drive and then the contents again, don't forget to click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell notification icon to get more videos like this. I'm sure you'll be able to find more helpful videos by subscribing to this channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.